Hello. Today you're going to learn about subject and predicate. In the previous week, we've learned that sentence expresses complete thought. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. But what is a subject and what is a predicate? The subject tells what or whom the sentence is about. For example, a big dog visited our school. The sentence talks about the dog or a big dog. So in this sentence, a big dog or the dog is the subject. In the second sentence, the red flowers grew in the garden. So what is this sentence about? You're right, it's about the flowers or the red flowers. So in this sentence, the subject is red flowers or flowers. Predicate, on the other hand, tells what subject does or is. So this is the part of the sentence that shows the actions of the subject. For example, a big dog visited our school. What is the action being done in this sentence? You're right, visited or visited our school. So in this sentence, the predicate is visited our school. This is the action that the subject dog is doing. In the second sentence, the red flowers grew in the garden. What is the action being done in the sentence? Correct, grew or grew in the garden. So this part of the sentence, grew in the garden, is the action being done by the red flowers. So this is the predicate. Again, subject is the doer of the action in a sentence. It's the one, whom, or what the sentence is about. Predicate, on the other hand, tells you what the subject does or is. Usually it shows you the action that the subject is doing in the sentence. Let's have some more example. Let's identify whether the underlined words in the sentences represent the subject or the predicate. The barn was painted red. That's right, it's a subject because the sentence talks about the barn. The cherries and grapes are on the table. Are these words the one being talked about in the sentence, or are they describing the subject? They are the ones describing the subjects, cherries and grapes, so therefore this is a predicate. Great job! The orange cat belongs to me. So what is this? Since the orange cat is the one being talked about in the sentence, this is a subject. So in this lesson, we've learned that sentence has a subject and a predicate. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about, or the one being talked about in the sentence. Predicate, on the other hand, is the action that the subject does.